So back again, I realized that my what's happening with Bitcoin is really helping people who are new into trading. A lot of people really want to learn crypto for themselves, educate themselves, understand what is the whole fast about crypto, and better themselves so that they can change their financial lives. But the thing is, most people also don't know how to really go about this whole thing, and a lot of people are losing money because they really don't get the whole fast about this technology. Some people think it's a currency. It's not. Bitcoin is not even a currency. It's a platform. And trying to trade a currency side comes with certain risk that you have to understand. The currency side of Bitcoin is speculative, very volatile, and you do have to realize that trading is not for the faint-hearted. 90% of all traders are losing to 10% of insiders. Is a real thing. The reason why they are losing is 10% have an insight, and the insight script that I can recommend to you guys is Market Cipher. If you're new to this channel, don't force to learn Market Cipher. You can follow along the line. I do give updates on what's happening with Bitcoin. If I think if you're new, it's better to understand first, then start using it for yourself. You get what I'm saying? Like, don't rush to force yourself to learn how the script works. You can follow me, and I can show you guys certain things so that you don't feel like you made a wrong investment, and you've not paid out, you've not really recovered from investments. Because a lot of people are trying to trade, but they are not really good with trading. It's best to get it basics first. So today is just what's happening with Bitcoin, and just giving series of updates all the time for people who don't have a script. So of course, I mean, every asset is backed by liquid. I mean, if you're new to trading, liquidity attract traders, and every trader knows the power of liquidity. So liquid is more or less like, let's say, water in your garden. Crypto phase uses this he uses this as example a lot. When you water your garden, sorry, when you water your seeds, it germinates. So it's like once water enters the garden, the seeds germinate. There's the same principle you can use when water enters or liquid enters an asset, the price goes up. When liquid leaves the asset, price goes down. So this is the track of liquidity. This is money flow. It means the money that is backing an asset, it was in the green, means it was in the positive territory. So price evidently rose, and we went down into the negative, means liquid was hesitant, went up again into the positive, then we came down and down and down and down and down, down. So it was like we are keeping track of liquidity, which is a very important oscillator, important yeah, of course, influential oscillator in trading, because it pushes price, and momentum is also another important oscillator. So two important or two most influential oscillators backing an asset are in the bearish territories. In other words, two important oscillators are in the negative. So what will happen to price? Price will evidently fall. You understand? So price started falling when money was hesitant, and it will fall drastically when money falls drastically. So the direction of money influences the direction of price, and evidently we've seen Bitcoin struggling around 19,000, 20,000, 80,000, 18,000. So it's like, well, I bought in at the time that Bitcoin was around 40,000. I was thinking Bitcoin was going. You were thinking. You see, the problem in Wall Street is we don't guess and we don't base our financial entries um, based on rumors and hearsays. Hearsays are a fragment of a data. What you need is an empirical eyes and ears, and you have to have foresight. Market Cipher is a script that gives you foresight. It gives you leverage into the market. It makes you part of the 10%, and you can know what's happening with any assets that you want to trade. It works with forex, and you need the skills to execute your trades. But if you're new, don't really try to force yourself. Just follow up. I have other videos that normally touches the fundamentals. I'm not trying to sell you a script. I'm just trying to let you understand the basics, the difference between having an inside script and just making your entries based on just here's a rumors. So obviously we're still bearish. What am I looking for? I'm looking for my money flow to either enter the positives and my momentum also entering the positives, then price will evidently rise. And I'm keeping track of this move. So if not, then I will probably be hoping for, if that's possible, I'm hoping for, let's say, 23K, let's say if 24K. Let's see what happens. But again, I'm not really super bullish right now. There's still signs of a downtrend. I can't really tell. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just looking up to my oscillator. I'm looking up to the direction of money flow and momentum. But I'm seeing an uptrend here, which is a good sign. If that happens, that's a very good long for people who want to long. But this time, you just have to ride along. We've been very bearish, which is normal. It's a cycle of Bitcoin. And if you're new into crypto, Bitcoin, I will entreat you to learn it for yourself and understand the concept of blockchain technology for yourself, and Bitcoin for yourself, cryptocurrencies for yourself, trading for yourself. Do not outsource anything to anybody. Nobody knows better than yourself. Well, you can learn from people, but again, believe in your own convictions, and try to learn and understand how crypto works. And of course, so until then, have a nice time, people.